In this video, I'm going to be going in depth on SiteGround pricing so you can have a complete understanding of how much SiteGround really costs and so that you know what to expect. I'll be covering the SiteGround hosting pricing for the most popular SiteGround shared hosting plans, SiteGround WordPress hosting plans, and the SiteGround WooCommerce plans, the domain name pricing, as well as the renewal pricing of SiteGround hosting and the renewal of domain names with SiteGround. Also providing you with a SiteGround discount so you can save some money on your SiteGround web hosting purchase. You will get up to 83% off SiteGround hosting. To take advantage of the SiteGround discount, just click the link in the description below. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome SiteGround discount. Now let's go in depth on the pricing of SiteGround hosting, as well as going over the renewal rates for SiteGround. Let's start with the SiteGround hosting plans, known as the shared hosting plans. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the SiteGround shared hosting page. Something I want to mention is the WordPress hosting and WooCommerce hosting plans cost the same with the same discounts as the shared hosting plans I'm about to cover, so something to keep in mind. I'll click the Start Now button. It'll take you to the SiteGround hosting plans. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from. Let's start with the startup plan. You'll get 83% off. You get SiteGround hosting for $2.99 a month instead of the regular price of $17.99 a month. The $2.99 price is for the 12-month term, which will cost you $35.88 for a year. You'll get the best deal with the 12-month term. If you choose to pay monthly, it'll cost you $24.99 a month. For the 24-month term, you'll pay $7.49 a month instead of the regular pricing of $17.99 a month, which will cost you $179.76 for 2 years. Now let's go over the pricing of the Grow Big plan. You'll get 83% off. You'll get SiteGround hosting for $4.99 a month instead of the regular price of $29.99 a month. The $4.99 price is for the 12-month term, which will cost you $59.88 for a year. You'll get the best deal with the 12-month term. If you choose to pay monthly, it'll cost you $34.99 a month. For the 24-month term, you'll pay $12.49 a month instead of the regular pricing of $29.99 a month, which will cost $299.76 for 2 years. Now let's go over the pricing of the Go Geek plan. You'll get 82% off. You'll get SiteGround hosting for $7.99 a month instead of the regular price of $49.99 a month. The $7.99 price is for the 12-month term, which will cost you $95.88 for a year. You'll get the best deal with the 12-month term. If you choose to pay monthly, it'll cost you $49.99 a month. For the 24-month term, you'll pay $19.99 a month instead of the regular pricing of $44.99 a month, which will cost $479.76 for 2 years. Now let's cover the domain name pricing. The domain name pricing ranges depending on the domain extension you go with. For example, the most popular domain extension is .com, which will cost you $17.99 for the first year. The .com domain extension renews at $19.99 a year. 2 other popular domain extensions are .net and .org. Both of these domain extensions will cost you $19.99 for the first year. These domain extensions renew at $21.99 a month. That is my SiteGround tutorial going over the SiteGround pricing and how much SiteGround web hosting really costs to purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround web hosting tutorial videos.